Well, hello everybody. We're doing a little bit of a vlog today with some familiar faces. We are getting ready to head into town. Gonna do some laundry, then go get some groceries. I've basically been living on mixed nuts and beef jerky, doing a little bit of the keto thing, high fat, low carbs. It just helps me work better, as well as just overall feeling energetic and feeling focused. Doing high fat, low carb works really well for me. It really hasn't been that bad, obviously, with the no cold food storage. That'll happen. So you can see all of the schoolies out here in one of my favorite spots. So I think one of the reasons why quartzite wasn't as fun for me, not only getting backed into, but just this spot out here, less people. This is more of the size that I like. But it's a group of travelers in this bus. Say hi, everybody. Leaving my keys right here. I'm trusting you guys with my baby boy. See you later.
I do like coffee.
All right, what's planned for today, guys?
Hey, the plan for today is
to drink more coffee so we can do stupid things faster.
That's right. Today is errand day. Laundry and groceries.
Yep.
And we're taking old Transcendence into town.
Yep.
I think
Checking out
the
his
real
new dash
true
cam.
plan, though, is same thing we do every day.
What's that?
Try and take over the world.
Preach.
We're trying.
All right, we ready to roll?
Let's do it.
I hope it stabilizes well. If so,
Me too. We'll see.
Well,
I won't have to get a GoPro 7 if it does.
I'm never driving without one again.
Yeah.
By the way, we're talking about his front driving camera.
Yeah, I just got a dash cam. Records
See it, baby?
all the traffic and everything ahead of me.
Oh, you saw it at the deal.
This is the Ehrenberg laundromat. We all got our clothes going. Pretty nice little spot. It's not too expensive, $1.50 for the small ones, $3 for the big ones, and this is 8 minutes per quarter. So knock this out and then go to the grocery store. But they have a couple showers over there, $8. Books you can buy. A lot of them look like they're from the 80s and have not moved since the 80s. So that's the laundry shower. They also rent out P.O. boxes. So when I come here next year, I'll probably get a P.O. box early and then be able to ship stuff from Amazon. Hopefully by that time I'll have everything situated, but just have a P.O. box that I can put all of my Amazon orders to, and they just hold them out here for you. You tell them your name with an ID and you can pick up your packages. This is the front office area. You have your essentials over here, all the beer, and then just a bunch of random stuff. I mean, cooking utensils, some tools, basically anything nomads might need on the road. It's a nice little stop, it's a small little stop, but where we're going afterwards is Blythe. It's in California, right across the border. It's a bigger town. It has a Fry's grocery store, and I believe they have like a Best Buy and O'Reilly's auto parts and everything, so got a little bit more stuff. But you got your fishing gear. There's a river right over here, so if you need some more fishing gear, some cooktops, rock stuff. Of course, we're in Quartzite. For those that don't know, Quartzite's a big destination. They have a big rock show there. Cleaning supplies, deodorizers. And over here, not a huge selection of food, but you know, just snacks, just energy drinks, some condiments. So if you do need to pick up some condiments, you're good to go. They do have some, you know, larger food items back here, some frozen food, drinks, coffee, and then all your soft drinks. And of course, I gotta have the candy. Pretty cool spot. Oh, they have ammunition here too. Just took my first shower in about 2 months where I had unlimited hot water, and honestly, after 2 minutes in there, I was ready to get out and switch my clothes out. So it was nice. I feel cleaner than I have been literally in 2 months. It's awesome. It makes you appreciate, you know, the small things doing this lifestyle. Any words of advice from 2 YouTube stars?
Oh. Well, we're in a laundromat. I don't know that they're good ones, but laundromat's definitely a good place to get your laundry done.
That's a very acute observation there, Wes.
Thanks, guys.
How'd laundry go?
Went great.
Success?
Yes.
They're cleaner than they were when we took them in. There's your
right.
cup over there.
Time for
I get it.
groceries. Made it back. Successful trip. Ended up getting laundry done. So my laundry bags, grocery bag. So, one of the benefits of waking up at 5 a.m. every morning, getting work done then, is I have the rest of the day, all my work's done, good to go. I'm just gonna relax. Just gonna hang out, enjoy this awesome weather with these awesome views. And I'm telling you, doing this stuff is absolutely worth it. So thanks for tagging along today. A little bit of a on the road life, getting stuff done, running errands, getting groceries. Might not be too exciting for too many of you, but it's real life. Once you get set up, you gotta get your supplies and you gotta wash clothes. Catch you later.